This is a day in the life of a virtual assistant and as an aspiring content creator. So as I've said on my previous vlog, hindi na ako natulog and dumiretso na kami ng biyahe going to Batangas. And since napagod sa biyahe, nag-decide muna kaming mag-stop over sa bahay nila. Around 4 p.m. bumiyahe na kami ulit going to Lubo. This is our second time to stay sa beach resort na to and this resort never fails to amaze us talaga. Kasi super ganda ng vibe, super ganda ng ambience and ang babait talaga ng mga staff nila. So after check-in, nag-freshen up lang ako kasi I am preparing for work. I have a lot of things to finish kasi I requested a time off for tomorrow para naman ma-enjoy ko yung bakasyon namin. So I did some work before we had dinner and then right after enjoying our very delicious dinner, I continued working through the night.